Hey guys from FIFA Play HDNL. Um, in this video, you hear about my voice. It's English commentary because that's a map that I made, and okay, and it is a showcase of this map. This a short storyline that I read. Welcome to the Hell Portal. Here are you spawned because you did something stupid. This is short parkour map made by FIFA Play HGNL. Special thanks to Lucas Ward, Jano and Toby. So I think that we this way go, and here is a junction and from for heaven or hell. And which way do we go? Hell of heaven. So I showcase all of the maps. So first we go to heaven. Yeah, it's white. Jump here. Okay. What did I say? Portal to hell. Go back. Okay, you can fly back. Because it's creative. So we going then to hell. This is a trap. Uh, 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 parkour. And wait even. I'm bad in English because I live in the Netherlands and I'm um 12 years old, 13 years old. So and then click you right. Then is this a sort right? Uh, and yeah. Oh shit. And then you click this button forward, so it speeds a little bit up, and you can do nothing now. So these are creatures, monsters, or something. You lucky that you're not dead. So and we go back out of the portal. So and now we are here. Yay, you survived the hell. Yes, some parkour. So I'm very bad in parkour, and you can fly back, or you can cheat. So you can normal. So you can fly over this parkour. So I do not cheat for some reason, because I hate that. I don't know why. But if I not can make that jump, then did I say YOLO? Fuck it. We fly over this parkour thing, something. Ladder parkour. Oh yay. Yeah, you hear that sometimes I say something in Dutch, so then you know it. So yes, let's speed it a little bit up. So this the ladder parkour. Yeah, nice. Now and then we are here. Smile. Yeah, this bad smiley. I can make pixel ads. So yeah, that's because it's very ugly. Jump. I jump. Wait. Looks just like a penis. Oh no. Lol. It was a short map, and one of my first maps, so you can blow anything up because this is the end. So here is TNT and flint and steel. So you can do this, but I don't do that because that's very bad of me. So I say it's a short parkour map. See it? There is only parkour and there, and that's a little bit of hell. So if you enjoy the showcase of my self-mading map, leave a like and a comment, and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot of for me. So yeah, and now I say something Dutch. So if you don't understand Dutch, then wait for a minute. Ja, mensen, dit was even een Engels commentary, want ik ga deze plaatsen op een map app. Ik zet de link in de description. Of ik ga een showcase maken. Volgens mij heb ik het showcase al gemaakt. Wat voor een app het is. Zo, ja, dat wil ik even vertellen. Willen jullie meer Engelse commentaries? Willen jullie dat ik meer Engelse commentaries maak? Dan zet het in de comments. En nu ga ik weer Engels praten. So, do you like it? That I did the English commentary? Leave it in the comments down below. En subscribe for more. En dan zeg ik peace out. Oh, ik kan Engels als een baas.